So it is anti-national activity as well as contempt of the Supreme Court. Our Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu doesn't bother about the Supreme Court verdict, and he never respects our Constitution, so that he is doing all those things against our interest.
How do you see this?
We welcome it. After Tamil Nadu, the Maharashtrian also coming together with us to fight against the imperialist government of BJP.
Last one question about the need. Even today morning, our Chief Minister just said down to the ADMK General Secretary that you have to spoke on with BJP on when we are in the alliance. About need, why you didn't pressure up. And if something happens, you have to go on with the alliance. It should not be within with it. How do you see this?
Who's it?
MK Stalin has just criticized in the assembly itself.
Yeah.
ADMK General Secretary, because they are with BJP alliance at present. So they are saying why you are not forced or pushed the BJP government on need. How do you see this?
Sir, very rightful question asked by our Honorable CM. Our opposition leader, Sri Edappadi Palanichami, has to reply to this valuable question. He is with the BJP. He is also for NEET. Edappadi Palanichami also pro NEET. So he has the responsibility to give pressure to the union government for Tamil Nadu against NEET.